Hi, this is Ammon with Ventures Truck Parts. Today we're going to do a review on our HSM Profi Pack 400 cardboard shredder. We've had this for probably about 6 years, and it's been one of the best investments we've made for our business. It helps us in our consumption of paper and packing materials, and it helps us recycle our cardboard boxes we get in with inventory to pack our heavy packages. I'm just going to show you how it works, how we do it, things and tips and tricks that we've done with it, and hopefully it helps. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You've got a toggle switch. You can do in or out. Neutral is off. So we're going to feed it in. There's a blade inside that cuts the cardboard if it's too wide. So one thing that we've done different than what it usually does, you can see that this is kind of crinkled up and it's a little bit more pliable. What we did is if you just hold your hand on the back as that's feeding through and kind of stop it for a minute, these pieces stay in, and as you feed the next pieces in, that smashes the corrugation of the cardboard together. It makes it a little bit more pliable to get it around parts or whatever you're going to pack. So if you don't crinkle it, this is what it comes out like. It's a little bit stiffer. It's a little bit harder to manipulate. It would work well for some applications, so if that's what you'd like to do, you can. But we found that this works best for our application. Okay, now that we've processed the cardboard through the machine, we have our pile here. I've taken some of it here onto the packing table, and we're going to pack this wheel hub for you. This wheel hub probably weighs about 15 pounds or so. So we'll show you how it works. So you take the cardboard that we shredded, then take some pieces. You can tear them once they're cut. Pack them around your item you're going to ship. Packs in there tight, keeps things from shifting and moving and protects it well. Now that we've got it boxed up, can't shift, can't move during shipment. That's how we use it.